Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing a traditional crochet install of some Freetress locks air, and for the style today we used the Freetress Boho hippie lock in 20 inches in the color 1B. That's a mix of that and the Freetress gorgeous locks air also in the color 1B in the 18-inch length. We used 3 bags of the Boho hippie locks and 2 bags of the gorgeous locks. Now the Boho hippie locks, the air is actually really prone to freeze. It's actually textured, like the locks are a bit more textured. It has all these loose cords hanging about freely, and the price was about $9.99 a bag. You know the way the cords hang, it's like 3 braids. That's what makes that one the Boho hippie. And the gorgeous locks on the other end, the locks are sort of like smoother. The cords are on the ends only. The locks are also kind of wavy, and the price tag was $8.99 a bag. About the number of locks in the bag, each bag of air had 24 locks in the bag. That's the Boho hippie came with 24 locks in the bag. The gorgeous locks came with 24 locks in the bag. Both styles are pre-looped, and we used all 5 bags for the style. One thing I did notice, however, is that the Boho hippie locks is actually easier to install as individuals rather than on cornrows, because the cords sort of like snag when you're trying to pull them through the cornrows, but then altogether it's still some good air. So do enjoy the video as we get started, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you.